I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 5008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this is a 7-seater vehicle that comes with full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And for this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter. The car also has some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
Your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.